And good morning everyone, welcome to a new video here. So blind traders, I'm Logical Orange, and we just closed a new month. We just closed June yesterday, and we had a competition for it. We had a competition to predict the outcome, the close of the candle of the monthly candle and the daily candle. And we have a winner because yesterday we closed at 19,942, and we had Gabriel, who won with a prediction of 19,785. So extremely close, a couple of $100 difference right there for Bitcoin. It isn't much. In any case, there were some other predictions that were pretty close. We had 20.3K, we had 19.4 also. This would be the second place. And then we had predictions that were extremely bullish in this case, because people are expecting for the price to go up, which isn't bad in its own way. If you take it like this, we know that the price will eventually go up, but we also want to have the best entry possible, or want to have the best plan in order to get the best entries possible. The best entries possible in this way, in this situation, would mean averaging down to a fairly good price. And the good price for me in this formation for the long term would be somewhere around 15K, because we know by the look of the chart right now that we are still heading down. We don't have any bullish news, and if we do have bullish news, we need to be careful, because bullish news would push new uninformed retail investors to buy, and institutional would sell on them, dragging the price lower to the levels that they want to achieve. But that is another discussion. I just want to take a look at the monthly, and we are going to also take a look at the volumes, because we didn't really talk about volumes until now, and I really want to add some more importance to volume in chart analysis. And on the monthly right here, we see that we have consistent volume. So we have volume that is increasing, and also we have candles that are increasing in the same manner. So we have harmony right here in this area, and this only denotes one thing, denotes the fact that we are continuing the trend. So as I said in previous videos, I aim at 13, somewhere between 12 and 13.5 as a target. This is really a possible target, a bearish target. And I'm just going to sprint in the other time frames so we get a full update. So on the daily, we see that we are consistently going down with increasing volume. So the volume is in harmony with the candles that are going down, and we have a developing point of control at 18.7, 18.8, and with a high volume area right here in 19K. So we are almost sure that we are going to test this, and we have this breaking point right here that can be used. Well, we are on the daily, so really this is for position traders, not really for scalpers or swingers, but this can be used in order to predict the next price movement. Of course, if we break this on the downside and we retest it and we fail to break it on the upside once more, we can also know almost for sure that we are going to head lower on the 16K level. On the upper side, we have this level right here, breaking point. That is the starting point of the first big imbalance candle right here that we have right here between 23.3 and 26.5. Of course, this also can be confirmed with retests, and then we can know if we can head to the upper side, where we have a high volume area right here and the current point of control. And now the 4-hour chart looks pretty balanced. We are within a range that is defined by the current point of control and the developing point of control, with a good value area right here, a good high volume area right here between 20K and 21.5K. mostly we had a week testing the block that was right here, and it is now mitigating, and we are heading lower. Now this order block right here that is sitting unmitigated will be tested soon, maybe today, maybe this weekend, and well, as the daily chart says, we can possibly head to lower levels. And now for closing this video, I just wanted to remind you that we are highly correlated with the stock market. We are highly correlated with the S&P 500. Just remember to look every day on the opening hours of the markets, to check the indexes, check the European indexes, check the Asian indexes, check the US index of course. And we have something called the misery index that is extremely high right now, and this is due to the inflation. So for now we don't have anything that can help us decide to go long. We just need to watch. We still have a bear bias for now. We have a bear bias, we have a short bias, but yes, in the same time, be careful with shorts. You can follow the scalping channel signals, but don't follow them blindly. I will repeat this as much as needed. Do not follow scalping signals blindly. The scalping signals come from an algorithm, and even if we try to do our best to create the holy grail of algorithms, this does not exist. We always need to have our own input. It takes just 1 minute to check out the chart when a signal comes, and you can take it or not. And as I said, just check this every day. You check the opening of the market every day, and then you can decide when looking at the S&P 500 index and at the BTC price. You can decide for the trend for the day, and then you can have your own bias. So this is all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Congratulations one more time to Gabriel. Don't forget to contact us on Telegram in order to get your monthly subscription, and see you in the next video.